ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to say thank you for joining us in our 3D Experience Week 2021.
And it's been a great pleasure sharing the entire week with you guys, sharing on what's new, SolidWorks 2021, and all. There's a lot of great features, and the performance now is boosted to a whole new heights.
And we also share about Simulator as well.
Yes, now your simulation can be run on a carb engine.
That's cool. That's cool. And besides that, we do share about the new solutions.
Exactly.
ERP solution.
The DelnaWorks, which is the new ERP solution from the Soap Systems.
Yeah. And never to forget our Industry 4.0.
Yes. Now we can actually help you guys to assess whether you guys are ready for Industry 4.0.
It's an overwhelming attendees from Malaysia and Singapore. With that, it's better for us to show our gratitude to them to make our event much more successful.
Exactly.
Right? So without further ado, let's do the lucky draw.
Hold on. So just to share, our grand prize is an Apple AirPods with charging case, and the second prize would be a courtesy from our partners by Lenovo Singapore, and it's a Lenovo ThinkPad X1 ANC headphones. And other than that, we also have many more consolation prizes from CADVision, such as Bluetooth speakers and even power banks.
So how are we gonna do those lucky draw?
Like old times, man. Jang jang.
Are you serious? Kidding me?
Serious. Not kidding. Everything is digitalized.
There you go. Aaron, do you think that if we handpick manually, the winner will be different?
Exactly. If I'm the one handpicking it, I'm the winner.
Do you want to win so much, is it?
Exactly. If the prize is Lenovo ThinkPad X1 ANC headphones, those headphones, the quality is exquisite. All thanks to our partners, Lenovo Singapore.
Nice.
So we hope that you guys have enjoyed all the lineups that we have.
And before we end, Aaron, I would like to share with you and the audience, right? Not going to digital is one of the main reasons over half of the companies in Fortune 500 disappeared since the year 2000.
So this is why transformation is crucial. There is a Latin saying, you prepare for war during peace. So this is the time where you prepare yourself for the upcoming challenges.
So watch out more from us.
Stay safe,
Stay productive.
and stay innovative. Thank you guys so much. See you guys soon.